हैव यू एवर नोटिस्ड कि हर कुछ दिन बाद एक नई हेडलाइन सामने आती है, लाइक इंडिया साइंस इट्स फ्री ट्रेड एग्रीमेंट, इंडिया एक्सपेंड्स बायलैटरल ट्रेड और इंडिया स्ट्रेंथन्स इट्स इकोनॉमिक टाइज विद अनदर कंट्री। सुनने में लगता है जितने ज़्यादा ट्रेड एग्रीमेंट्स उतना ही ज़्यादा ट्रेड एंड उतना ही ज़्यादा इकोनॉमिक बेनिफिट। लेकिन फिर एक सवाल आता है कि if India is really signing so many trade agreements, then why is our FTA utilization rate still around 25%, while other developed economies are able to utilize 70 to 80% of their trade agreements? Actually, most discussions on international trade revolve around tariffs. Whenever a country increases tariffs, it becomes headline news, and we are made to believe that tariffs are the biggest obstacle to trade. But the article argues that this is no longer the complete picture. Today, the real challenge is non tariff barriers. These are the barriers that remain even after a trade agreement is signed. And this includes product testing requirements, licensing procedures, certifications, quality standards, regulatory approvals, and several other compliance requirements. In simple words, a country can reduce tariff and still make trade difficult. और शायद यही point we often miss every time. The article itself gives an interesting example. India has had trade agreements with Asian countries, Japan, and South Korea for years. If lower tariffs were enough, then these agreements should have delivered much greater benefits. However, the expected gain were often limited because businesses still had to face multiple non tariff barriers before entering those markets. So technically the market was open, but practically it was not that accessible. On the other hand, the article highlights the India-UAE agreement as a relatively successful example. The reason is that it focuses not only on reducing tariffs but also on several practical barriers that businesses face while trading. Maybe trade is not just about signing agreements. Maybe trade is not even just about reducing tariffs. Maybe the real question is how easy has it become for a business to actually sell its product in another country after the agreement is signed? Because if an exporter still has to spend years getting approvals, meeting different standards, and navigating complicated regulations, then lower tariffs alone cannot create meaningful trade growth. I also feel कि आज की ग्लोबल इकोनॉमी में कंपटीशन सिर्फ प्रोडक्ट्स के बीच में नहीं है, रेगुलेटरी सिस्टम्स के बीच में है. Tariffs are visible barriers, so they make headlines. Non tariff barriers are invisible barriers, so people rarely talk about them. But in reality, it is often these invisible barriers that decide whether trade agreements should remain document on paper or become real economic opportunities. So it was something I felt was worth sharing. Baki, stay updated, stay aware, stay curious, and follow us for more updates. Thank you.